Want to stop your audience from falling asleep during your next slideshow? Adding smooth transitions and object animations is the secret to keeping your presentation dynamic and professional. In this video, I am going to show you exactly how to bring your slides to life using WPS presentation. Before we jump in, if you need to upgrade your presentation software, I have left a direct link to download WPS Office for free right at the top of the description. Go ahead and get that set up, and let's get started. First, open your slideshow in WPS presentation. Let's start by making the switch between your slides look seamless. Click on the slide you want to work on, and then head up to the top menu and click on the Transitions tab. Here, you will see a gallery of different effects. Click through a few to preview how they look. For a clean, professional style, I highly recommend using simple effects like fade or push. Once you pick one, you can adjust the speed on the right side of the menu to make the transition as smooth as possible. You can even click Apply to All if you want to keep the entire presentation consistent. Now, let's animate the actual text and images on your slides to keep your audience focused on one point at a time. Click on the specific object or text box you want to animate. Next, go back up to the top menu and click on the Animation tab. Click on Custom Animation, which will open up a helpful animation pane on the right side of your screen. Click Add Effect, and you will see options categorized by entrance, emphasis, and exit. Choose an entrance effect like fly in or fade to make your bullet points or images appear exactly when you are ready to talk about them. In that right-hand pane, you can adjust the timing so the animation happens on a mouse click or automatically right after the previous animation finishes. By combining smooth slide transitions with well-timed object animations, your presentation will immediately look highly polished and engaging. If this tutorial helped you design a better presentation, please hit that like button to support the channel. And remember, if you want to unlock all the premium features to take your slides to the next level, the direct link to download WPS Office Pro for free is waiting for you right down in the description. Go grab it, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.